Good morning. I had one pack of seeds I bought. Hell, I got that one pack of seed back and this one small piece of corn. Some of them are a little immature, but there goes the one pack right there. But now all I gotta do is tie these up, this and the rest of them up, and let them hang and dry. And I have my own seed if I can start next year. I have more than one pack, most definitely. It's all about multiplication. Take one pack and turn it into 10 packs of seeds on your own. Then you ain't gotta go to the store. But this is what I do every year. I'll just do the rest of them later. Let them dry out.